The unboxing experience is simple, clean, and ready to use. Inside the box, you get the HAYLOU Watch Hyper, strap, charging cable, and documentation. The watch is well protected, while the silicone strap immediately gives it a sporty, outdoor-ready feel. Setup is straightforward. Charge it, install the HAYLOU Fun app, pair it with your phone, and start using the main smartwatch, health, and workout features. The HAYLOU Watch Hyper has a modern, sporty design with a rectangular case, rounded corners, and a large curved display. The aluminum alloy frame gives it a solid, refined feel, while the liquid silicone strap is comfortable for daily wear, workouts, and outdoor use. It has good wrist presence without feeling too bulky. The rotating crown and orange side button add both practical control and a more active, outdoor-ready look. Overall, it feels like a large-screen smartwatch built for everyday use, fitness, and navigation. Battery life is one of the strong points of the HAYLOU Watch Hyper. Up to 18 days in extended mode, around 10 days with heavy use, about 4 days with always-on display, and up to 24 hours in GPS mode. Real autonomy will depend on features, calling, and notifications, but the watch is clearly designed for multi-day use without constant charging. Charging is done with the included cable and takes around 2 hours. HAYLOU Watch Hyper feels practical and easy to live with. The large display makes notifications, workout data, and watch faces easier to read, while the rotating crown improves navigation through menus. The interface is simple, and the watch feels useful for everyday updates, fitness tracking, commuting, travel, and casual outdoor activities. It is not a professional expedition watch, but it brings outdoor-style features into a comfortable, accessible smartwatch format. The HAYLOU Watch Hyper is a strong and well-balanced smartwatch that combines everyday convenience with useful outdoor features. Its big AMOLED display, adaptive brightness, dual-band GPS, offline maps, route backtracking, 5 ATM water resistance, long battery life make it feel more complete than a basic fitness wearable. It is not a professional expedition watch, but for daily use, workouts, travel, and casual outdoor activities, it delivers an impressive mix of design, practicality, battery life, and navigation features.